Hey everyone, welcome back to Wellnessity. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for your health and well-being: hydration. Did you know that up to 75% of Americans are chronically dehydrated? Dehydration can have serious effects on your body and mind, often in ways you might not expect. In this video, I'll be sharing 16 warning signs that you're not drinking enough water. Some of these might surprise you, so make sure to watch till the end. Water is life. It makes up about 60% of our body weight and is crucial for almost every bodily function. But how do you know if you're getting enough? Let's start with some common signs you might be missing. Before we get started, I want to thank all of you for your amazing support. If you're new here, welcome to Wellnessity. Family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. And to my returning subscribers, you're the best. Your comments and likes mean the world to me. Alright, let's dive into the first warning sign that you're not drinking enough water: dry mouth and throat. Water is necessary for saliva production. When you're dehydrated, your body conserves water, leading to a reduction in saliva, which results in a dry mouth and throat. Saliva is important for breaking down food and maintaining oral health. 2. Dark yellow urine. Urine color is a good indicator of hydration levels. When you're well hydrated, your urine should be a light straw yellow color. Dark yellow or amber urine indicates that your body is conserving water and making your urine more concentrated. 3. Infrequent urination. A hydrated person typically urinates several times a day. If you're not drinking enough water, your body produces less urine to conserve water, leading to infrequent urination. 4. Fatigue and lethargy. Dehydration causes a decrease in blood volume, making the heart work harder to pump blood. This results in reduced oxygen and nutrient delivery to muscles and organs, causing fatigue and lethargy. 5. Dizziness or lightheadedness. Dehydration can lead to a drop in blood pressure, as there's less blood volume. This can cause dizziness or lightheadedness, especially when standing up quickly. 6. Dry skin. Skin cells, like all cells in the body, need water to function properly. Dehydration reduces skin elasticity and makes it dry and flaky. A simple pinch test can sometimes indicate dehydration. If the skin doesn't bounce back quickly, you might be dehydrated. 7. Headaches. Dehydration can cause the brain to temporarily shrink from fluid loss, pulling away from the skull and causing pain. Additionally, decreased blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain contribute to headaches. 8. Constipation. Water is essential for digestion and helps keep stool soft and easy to pass. Without enough water, stool becomes hard and difficult to move through the intestines, leading to constipation. 9. Muscle cramps. Dehydration causes an imbalance in electrolytes like sodium and potassium, which are essential for muscle function. This imbalance can lead to muscle cramps and spasms. 10. Rapid heartbeat. With lower blood volume due to dehydration, the heart has to pump harder and faster to deliver adequate oxygen and nutrients to the body. This results in an increased heart rate. 11. Bad breath. Saliva helps to cleanse the mouth and remove bacteria. When dehydrated, decreased saliva production allows bacteria to thrive, leading to bad breath. 12. Hunger pangs. The body's signals for thirst and hunger are controlled by the same part of the brain. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary eating when your body actually needs water. 13. Dry eyes. Tears, which keep the eyes lubricated, are made mostly of water. Dehydration can reduce tear production, leading to dry, irritated eyes. 14. Poor concentration. Dehydration affects cognitive functions by reducing blood flow and oxygen to the brain. This can impair concentration, memory, and decision-making abilities. 15. Overheating. Water helps regulate body temperature through sweating and respiration. When dehydrated, your body's ability to cool itself is impaired, leading to overheating and an increased risk of heat-related illnesses. 16. Joint pain. Water is crucial for maintaining the lubrication and cushioning of joints. Dehydration can reduce the amount of synovial fluid in the joints, leading to stiffness and pain. Including these detailed explanations in your video will help your audience understand the importance of staying hydrated and recognizing the signs of dehydration. Do you have any specific points or additional information you'd like to highlight? And those are the 16 warning signs that you're not drinking enough water. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest and most effective ways to improve your overall health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let me know in the comments if you've experienced any of these signs and how you stay hydrated. And don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.